So I'm working on this 97 F250. It's a pretty cool ride. They just painted it. Looks pretty cool. And the wipers, they don't shut off. I already replaced the motor thinking it was a wiper motor, but they do not shut off. And so I have this, and I gotta plug this in. And they don't shut off. And the switch is on the off position. That's high, it'll go to high. I don't know if you can hear the difference. Low, and that's off. High, off, and they don't shut off. So, is it the switch or is it this wiper control module? What's it called? It's called a wiper control module. Right here. And this is the wiper motor, the one I replaced, thinking that, well, it's got a park sense. Maybe this is damaged and it doesn't go to park. But it doesn't want to, still doesn't want to stop. And so I'm measuring resistance from the switch, and in the off position it's supposed to be about 100 kilo ohms. Off position 36 kilo ohms on the orange wire, dark blue and white. So let's test for that. Let me set this thing. Okay, so this is the dark blue and white with brown and white, which is dark blue and white with brown and white. And it's at 105 kilo ohms. Let me set the other one. And this is the orange and brown and white, 47 kilo ohms. 47 kilo ohms. Orange, brown and white. So the switch is fine. Let's see, let me get the specs. So for the wiper switch, off is 47.6 kilo ohms plus or minus 5% on the orange and brown wire. This one is dark blue, white, brown and white. It's supposed to be off at 103 plus or minus 10, and it is, so it has to be this thing. Has to be this thing that is bad. I'm gonna replace it and see what it does. So I barely got the part in this for the 96 F250 with the wipers not working, and what I found is that when I plug the old one on in, it's shorted this motor low on the wiper control module. The dark blue white, it's always on. It's always on. And when I plug the new one in, that dark blue stays off until I turn it on. Let me turn it on. Turns on and then goes to ground, which parks it. That's intermittent. gonna go to low. That is low. Intermittent. And then high. Back to intermittent. And then off. Yep, so that's what the problem was. And this is connected to the motor, the dark blue and orange. I have it on intermittent. And it cycles from ground to positive. It scared me for a little bit. It's this wire right here, the dark blue orange.